Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for the cutest indoor-outdoor planter that you can find? I have it here for you. These are these beautiful, gorgeous planters from BUYMAX. These planters are completely made out of resin, so they're easy if you want to keep them outside or inside. Because they're completely made out of resin, you could leave these outdoors all year round, and they really will do well whether they're in the cold or in the warm weather. Because they're 6 inches, they're nice and deep, so if you have a plant that has a big root system, you'll have no problem transplanting it to these beautiful, gorgeous pots. The colors on these are so vibrant and fun, and I really love that it's 3-dimensional because it makes it look even cuter, even from far away or close up. The gorgeous colors match a variety of different decors, and they really hold the pot so well. That deep design combined with that drain hole just really make this a great option for your indoor and outdoor plants. This planter is super cute. It comes with a set of 2, and if you're looking for a great option, keep one inside, one out, transport them around. You'll be super happy and feel good every time you see your plants. But that's just my point of view.